So what do we have here? This is a metal unit. Each of the cups is removable, and I'll show you how it goes together. Okay. So this is a steel base, 3 1/4 inch round, 1/8 inch thick. We then electrically weld a threaded rod, which is a 1/4 thread. These are some inexpensive steel washers. So this base would be powder coated white. Okay. Now put the first set of washers. Big cup. Now all I did was I just took a letter opener and just stabbed the bottom of this. You just need to make a small hole. You don't have to make a hole the perfect size, because once you put it on the thread will force the hole open. And what the washers do is they support the bottom of the cup, so it's not wobbling. And then I grabbed the smaller of the two. This is an aluminum piece, so these two aluminum pieces will be somewhat visible in the gap between the cups. This will be powder coated glossy white. Okay. So I put a smaller piece on, a washer, medium cup. Second piece on, again, be gloss white, washer, small cup. And each one, again, just has a little hole. And then if you can zoom it, come in here. Thank you very much, Jesse. And then all you do is you got a wing nut. Now this could be a real nut. This could be a lock nut with an elastic stop ring. I'm just holding it on the bottom while I twist this so I can have a little bit of leverage. Okay. And now once I have it as tight as I want it, now I can rearrange each of the cups. Now I don't have a logo on these cups, the ones you sent me, but I'm easily able to align the overlap of the paper cup. Okay, so now we have a cup washer, and if I'll shake this table, you see it's not really moving very much at all. I could probably tighten the swing nut a little more if I wanted to, but relatively simple, easy to put together display to hold your cups, and we aim for about a 1/4 inch gap between each cup, and I'm getting about, if I make this straight, about a 1/4 inch and about a 1/4 inch.